Put it in your mouth. Try it again, Calissa. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Yeah. You missed it. Good girl. You're getting messy. Good girl. Put your spoon in your mouth. Good girl. You playing in your mess now? Calissa. Calissa. Psst, psst. I see you smiling. Calissa. Psst, psst, psst. Calissa. Hey. Calissa, look. Come here. Say hi. You want to try it one more time? You want to put your spoon in your mouth? Calissa. You want to put your spoon in your mouth? No, don't spit your food out. Eat. Alright, I guess you're done.